Hi there, free spirits. Welcome to my channel. My name is Daphne, and in this video I am going to share with you what I eat in a day, specifically what I eat in a day while I'm going to classes. This will obviously differ at some point because I do not eat the same exact thing every day I go to classes, but this will hopefully give you some ideas on what you could take to work if you have a really busy schedule, or if you are a busy college student with lots of homework like me. So let's just jump in. So this morning I started with an egg because I was craving an egg this morning, and I also had a smoothie, the berry banana prebiotic smoothie, which is already on my channel. I'll show you how I make it. So if you want this smoothie recipe, I will leave a link to all of my shorts in the description box below so you can see the ingredients I use and how I make it. And of course, I had to make my coffee. I switch flavors depending on my preference for that day. I normally have a low sugar vanilla brewed coffee every morning, which I really love, and it will be linked below as well. Okay, I'm now in one of my classes and I started feeling hungry, so I ate a chocolate peanut butter bar. This is not my favorite chocolate protein bar, but I'm just trying to finish them right now and probably will not buy it again. I think I have one more left. It's not bad, it's just not my preference. I'm gravitating toward other bars and other flavors right now, but yeah, this is what I'm eating currently. Okay, I just finished working out about 5 minutes ago, more or less, and I started feeling hungry again, so I ate my usual oatmeal mix that I make. I actually meant to film what it looked like before adding the liquid, but I forgot because I was in a hurry. I needed to finish eating so I could make sure I made it to class on time. But yes, this is what I ate post-workout. Okay, I'm finally back home and I am feeling hungry again, and I decided to make a protein since I worked out. So I just heated up some leftover ground turkey that I had. It's plain, so I added some chopped onion and a few pinches of sea salt, and I was also going to add some spinach, but I didn't realize I was out until now. Real student struggles here. And I don't know if it's my brain or if it's the workout, but I was craving carbs, so I decided to make some mac and cheese with the meat, and it was delicious. And the last thing I'm eating for the day, or for the night, is a mandarin, a real one, not the canned. These are so good. I actually ended up eating 2 mandarins because I was still hungry, probably from the workout. But yeah, that's what I eat in a day as a college student on class days. I hope you enjoyed this video.